Hello and welcome to another episode on the road ahead with AJ. Here's wishing all of you a very happy new year. I know 2020 has been terrible and it has derailed a lot of our plans, but let's keep our chin up and hopefully this year is going to be better. Today's episode in the KTM 390 series is about fitting the ADV Tribe mobile mount onto the bike. All it takes is 4 easy steps. Now, as you'll notice, I've already fixed the ball mount onto the main mount provided by ADV Tribe, and it just took a 10 mm spanner. I'll leave the link in the description for the product. Let's open up the package and see what's inside. And ta-da! All right. So this is the mount for your phone or your GPS, and it comes with 2 Allen bolts with washers, and this is the stabilizer that you will see when we use this. They go on each side of the mount, which keeps it from dropping down. Perfect. And inside this is thank you note from ADV Tribe. Cool. And the sticker for my helmet. Oh, this is a reflective one. Yeah. There you have it. Two Allen bolts and 2 stabilizers. And this one. निकल जाए यार. There you go. Welcome to ADV Tribe. Thank you. Yes, I'm really happy to have bought this. And might as well open this up as well. Ta-da! Damn, this is actually really nice quality. I hope you guys can see it. It's really well made. So that's it. Let's move on to fitting it on the bike. Now all you need for the entire fixing process is the smallest Allen key provided with your toolkit with the bike. Step 1. Remove the windscreen. This just gives you better access to these 2 Allen bolts, makes it easier to work with. Step 2. Remove these 2 Allen bolts holding this small triangular piece. Now ADV Tribe has provided longer Allen bolts, which will be required when we actually install the GPS mount. Step 3. Begin by installing the GPS mount on one side. Now ADV Tribe has provided these small brackets which are very useful. What they'll do is keep the mount, once you fix it, it'll keep the mount from falling over and crashing onto your the TFT display. So start with one side and these are the Allen bolts provided by ADV Tribe. Do not forget to use the washers. They're very important because on any bike there are a lot of vibrations and this helps keep the bolt from coming off. Yep, just tighten it until it doesn't move. Don't over tighten anything too much when you're working on a bike. Even though it's going on turning, just tighten it enough until it is sturdy. And that's it. It's mounted. Step 4. Put the windshield back and you're done. That's it. 4 easy steps and your mobile mount is ready. Now I have a ball type mount, but there are a lot of other ones in the market like Bobo, etc. So whatever you like, you can put it onto this. And we're done, finished. That's it. 4 easy steps and your mobile mount's ready. You're ready to go long distance touring. Now, I could as well have fit my mobile mount on the handlebar anywhere on the side, but what makes this convenient is that when you're riding long, you're always focused on the road, you're looking ahead. So, and if you're in traffic, the moment you have to look at something on either of the sides, you're taking your eyes off the road. So in that case, this all I have to do when I'm using this one is just to look down and back up, which is much better, more efficient than looking to the side and then looking back up. Now, I have not used the mount extensively yet. I took it one day on a bit of muddy off-roading and splashing through a lot of puddles in the monsoon. The mount held up perfectly, but my long ride's probably coming up in a month or two, and that's when I'll really put it through the test. If you're interested in ADV Tribe products, I'll leave the link for this one specifically in the description. And if you have, as usual, if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section below. That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you haven't done it yet, please do subscribe, like this video, and share it forward to your other friends who might have a KTM 390 adventure. Until then,
Dream on, ride on, and helmet always on.